Today we're going to talk about learning target 5F, solving an equation containing a radical expression algebraically. How to solve an equation containing a radical? First thing you need to do is isolate it. Get the radical by itself on one side of the equation. Next thing is you need to raise the radical of its inverse power. So if it is a square root, you need to square it. If it's a cube root, you need to cube it. The third thing is to then isolate the variable. Get the variable by itself, solve for that variable. So in example 1, you find the radical. Here's radical. It is square root of 81 minus 9m. And the reason why the radical is not isolated yet by itself is this 5 over on the left side. And to get rid of that 5 is positive, so we subtract 5. Cancels out. You get 81 minus 9m equals 9. Then next step, now that it's isolated, we then raise the radical of its inverse power. So right now it is the square root, we need to square it. So we square the right side also. Then that cancels out. 81 minus 9m equals 81. And now we should just be able to, you can just solve for the variable. So minus 81, cancel negative 9m equals 0, divided by negative 9, and you get m equals 0. Now, that is our solution. You do have to always check to see if it's extraneous. Extraneous means, let me write it first, solutions. There are solutions that mathematically you get, and when you substitute them into the original equation, it doesn't work. So I'm going to substitute in 0 in for m and see if it equals, one side equals the other. So 5 plus, you probably ask yourself, do I really have to do this? Yes. Yes, you do. So we have 81 minus 9 times 0, substitute 0 in for m. Shouldn't take too long to do this. We have 5, simplifying this, 81 minus 0 is 81. 81 squared root of 81 is 9. And 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 does equal 14 check, so therefore this is the right real answer. It's not extraneous, and we're good. Moving on, we have example 2. Again, you're just solving for A. I already have the variable, or the radical on the right. It's already isolated, it's already by itself. So I look at it's a square root, so I'm going to square it, and you just square the right side. On the right side, when you square a binomial, that is like taking a binomial and multiplying it out. So I have a minus 8 times a minus 8, square root and square cancel out, you get 54 minus 5a. Left side I need to multiply that out. I need to figure out what I have over here. So I have a times a squared, a times negative 8a, another negative 8a, negative 8 times negative 8 is 64. And on the right side we have 54 minus 5a. Now we move every term to one side, gather your like terms. So I have add 5a, add 5a here, so I have 3 terms that are alike here. Minus 54, minus 54. So putting this all together, I have a squared. Negative 8a minus 8a is negative 16a, plus 5a is negative 11a. And then 64 minus 54 is 10. That's going to equal 0. Now at this point we have a quadratic. And the quadratic, you can look to see if you can factor it. From the factors you can get the solutions, otherwise we can always just use the quadratic formula. So my a is 1, my b is negative 11, and c is 10. I'm going to use the quadratic formula. We have x equals the opposite of b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. X equals opposite of negative 11 is 11, plus or minus 11. Negative 11 squared is 121, minus 40 divided by 2. minus 121 minus 40 is 81 divided by 2. Square root of 81 is 9 divided by 2. Now there's no more square roots, so I need to break this down. So I have 11 plus 9 divided by 2, and I have 11 minus 9 divided by 2. So 11 plus 9 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. My solution is 10. 11 minus 9 is 2, divided by 2. My other solution is 1. Always check for extraneous. Extraneous solutions. So check 10 first. So the original problem is a minus 8. So a minus 8 equals square root 54 minus 5a. Down so I can look, keep track of it. So we have to substitute in 10 first. So 10 minus 8, 54 minus 5 times 10. Left side I get 2. The right side you need to do a little bit more. We have 54 minus 50, which is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Check. 10 is good. 10 is one of our solutions. It's not extraneous. And now we check 1. So we put 1 into the original problem. So I have 1 minus 8. I have 54 minus 5 times 1. And 1 minus 8 is negative 7. 54 minus 5 is 49. And the square root of 49 is 7. And last time I checked, negative 7 does not equal 7. Therefore, 1 is an extraneous solution, and we do not include it in on our solution. So 10 is our only solution.